Hey there! Want to record your screen using CapCut? Whether you're creating tutorials, gameplay videos, or presentations, well, stick around and I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few easy steps. Make sure you have the CapCut application open, and if you didn't see the screen recording button, you can update the app for the latest version. Now, let's start and click the screen recording button in the interface. You can select your recording area, whether a full screen or a specific window, by dragging the edge. And at the bottom section, we have the camera here. So if you're making a reaction video, you can just turn it on. And also, we have the microphone here. Once you're all set up, click Start Recording button and wait for the countdown. Now, CapCut is recording my screen. Once you're done recording, click the Stop Recording button and your recording appears. You have the option to choose whether you download the video or make an edit. For now, I choose Edit More to show you the whole process. Here in the editing interface, you can add text, sounds, or effects. Once you are satisfied with the editing, you can click the Export button to save the file in your computer. And if you found this useful, consider liking and subscribing for more updates.